Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in with a QR code on Discord. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to log on to Discord on your laptop or computer. How do you actually go ahead and log in with the QR code? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Discord on your phone. Next, click on You or the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then click on Scan QR Code. So you're going to scan the QR code and then it's going to go ahead and ask you to log in, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log into Discord using your QR code. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.